Good morning. Okay, I just finished my shower and I am finishing my breakfast also. Let me show you what I made for today. It's so easy. Just got home from kickboxing class. I'm really hungry. I'm gonna throw together some oatmeal. I have a smoothie in the fridge, but I'm gonna leave that for later. So I have a quick meal and then I have a plan. Here, let me show you my crazy plan for eating this week. I took some time to just write it down. This is my daughter's lunches. These are our dinners for the kids and for me. The plan today is molletes for the kids and for me, which is like kind of like a little English muffin. And I'm gonna put some pinto beans and a little bit of cheese for them and a bunch of veggies for me. So it's kind of like a pizza, but instead of pizza sauce, it's beans. And then they're gonna have banana and peanut butter. Yeah, okay, so that's my meals. I'll have time to do that. So I'm gonna throw together some oatmeal right now. And I'm gonna take you with me to do that. So you can see just how quick this can be. What else do I want? I'll get out my flax, my walnuts. I'm not gonna think too much about it. I'm just gonna throw it together. I know I have some leftover apples, but they weren't very nice. So I'm going to not use those. I'll put them in a smoothie later. Okay, and I need to grab an apple. And these are really big, so I'm just gonna have a half of one of those. And then I'll grab a banana. I'll put one full banana in for the sweetness. Whoa, there we go. Okay, so let's do this. I'm just gonna take you with me so you can see really how fast this can be. Let's just do it. What I love about this meal is that you can take it with you. And just set it on your lap if you're in the car. Take it with you wherever you go. And it's so fast. I always tell myself when I'm feeling like I don't want to eat healthy, I love this meal, it's really delicious. And if I'm not feeling like having a salad or I'm not feeling like having anything else, I would always be happy to have this. So one day I just decided, you know, if I'm ever feeling like I don't feel like eating healthy, I'll just eat this because it's delicious, it's still healthy, it's all whole foods, and it's better than the other stuff I would come up with if I was craving something, right? Okay, time for me to take a shower. I'm gonna bring this upstairs and have it on the sink while I'm taking my shower and just kind of be eating it as I'm going to get my day started. Okay, I hope you like that one. So simple. Breakfast doesn't have to be hard. Eating healthy doesn't have to be hard. And just remember, if you want to ever go off track or you need something, you feel like you want something more filling for a meal, just have some oatmeal. Like, who cares about the rules if you're only supposed to have this much every once in a while? Just have some oatmeal. Keep the oatmeal light in the meal. Have some more fruit. You can throw some berries in it, whatever. I always fall back to this as a meal if I'm feeling like I want something heavy instead of going to fast food or something like that. Because it's so fast, we typically have all these ingredients at our house and it'll keep you on track with the whole foods thing, all right? This one doesn't really need a recipe. I will put the recipe down below. I'll also put the recipe in the cheat sheets. So you have one if you want to grab the cheat sheet for it. Just so you can print it out. That's it. Let me know down in the comments below. What is your favorite variation of this? What's your favorite fast breakfast? Share with us and we'll chat in the comments, okay? See you in the next video. Bye!